Hi, I'm Sharon and today we are going to make an Indian classic, parathas. Having hot parathas with some butter on it and a cup of chai on a chilly morning. What's not to love about that? But today we are going to put a fun spin on parathas. We are making tempeh parathas. Because tempeh cubes mince really easily and make for a great filling. A welcome break from aloo and gobi. So let's get started. The first step for making tempeh parathas is to mince your tempeh. Now tempeh has a great texture once you mince it and it absorbs flavors even better this way. So you can mince it either using your fork, knife or hands. Once the tempeh cubes are minced, let's prepare the stuffing. Add some oil in a kadai and once it heats up, add finely chopped garlic. Fry this till it turns fragrant and starts changing color. Next goes in finely chopped green chilli and a finely chopped onion. Add some salt for seasoning and mix this thoroughly. Cook it till the onions turn translucent. The onion looks translucent now, so let's add the tempeh mince. Give this a quick stir and let's go ahead and add some of the masalas to this. Chilli powder, coriander powder, Jeera powder, garam masala, a little bit of chaat masala, Amchur powder for that tangy taste and some pepper powder. Mix this well and cook this for a couple of minutes. Finally goes in some chopped coriander leaves. For today's recipe, if you want to speed up the process, you can use the tawa masala tempeh cubes from Hello Tempeh. These are really convenient and easy to use. Mince them, saute them in a pan for 8 to 10 minutes and it's ready to be stuffed in your parathas. Now that our stuffing is ready, let's move on to making the dough for the parathas. Taken some whole wheat flour or atta and into that first goes in some salt. Add a little bit of oil. So give this a mix first. And then add water little by little to make it into a soft dough. Let the dough rest for about 10 minutes before you roll it and stuff it with the tempeh mince. Put a generous amount of filling. Pinch it and seal it before you roll it back again. And this now needs to be cooked on a hot tawa. After you try this healthy alternative, I don't think you will want to switch back. It is absolutely yummy in taste and is loaded with proteins, iron and vitamin B12. When is the last time a paratha did that? So go get your pack of Hello Tempeh cubes today and let's tempeh.